We are going to go ahead and get started taking care of the loose ends that are hanging out the side or the loose uh, weft strings that are hanging out from the selvage. So you can see I've got two purple yarn strands in my hand right now. I'm going to take a shorter needle, and I'm just using the little plastic needle, and I'm going to go ahead and put that yarn through the eye of my needle. And I don't tie it or anything. I keep the little end real short, but I have to be able to I have to have enough yarn to be able to turn that needle in, and then I kind of put it down through the little loop that was created by the selvage at the side of my weaving. So I'm just pushing it right on through, and then I wiggle the needle and pull it through, take it out, and then give it a little extra tug, not too tight, and I kind of fluff it back into shape and carefully trim off that piece at the end. And that process is the same for every strand that is hanging off the side of your loom out of the selvage. So I'm twisting the end of that yarn, putting it through the needle, pulling it out a little bit, carefully holding it all together, and putting it back through the side towards the back of my weaving. Get it through that selvage there, twist, 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 help it ease it through, fluff out those strands, and trim it off. And you'll do that through the entire weaving from top to bottom on both sides. Alright, so I flipped over to the back, and I have a few loose strands here that I need to finish up. And at some point I had to tie two weft strings together on the back of my loom, and they're just a little unsightly, so I'm going to thread my needle again, the short needle, with one of those weft strings, and I'm going to carefully weave it back up through the back of the loom, making sure I don't go too close to on the front. I'm not sending it up the selvage. I'm just pretty much finding any place on the back and then trimming that end loose. And then the other ones on the back, you can see I'm trying to thread the needle here, and I'll try and send it back through, but this weft string is really just not very long at all. So I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to get that needle, just barely. So I send it through as best I can. And then ideally, anything else that remains, you may be able to knot together on the back or tie together and then trim off. I have a couple loose, or not, they're not loose, they're tied. I'm cutting it right here. You see, it's already been tied, but we want to take all the extra off so it's just cleaned up on the back. It's not so messy. All right, so all of the selvage has been taken care of. There are no loose ends on the back or the sides now.